Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of it's not available on your country on the application of Disney Plus. You click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. When above, not here, we click on settings app. When above you can search about Disney Plus and you will enter Disney like this. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again, so please don't forget